Assalamualaikum and good day to Doctor and fellow friends. Today, we would like to present briefly about our topic on this project. We were given a topic entitled Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). SDG is introduced by the United Nations back in September 2015 that adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development through 17 goals. The aim of this agenda is to overcome global challenge and achieve decent lives for all on healthy planet by 2030. The 17 goals in SDG are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institution, and partnership for the goals. These 17 goals are interconnected as they affect their succession among them. The company that we choose in order to complete this project is Tasty West Neighborhood, which is located in Alusta, Kedah. Tasty West Neighborhood is a food and beverage manufacturing company that manufactures products under its own brand. Tasty West Neighborhood was incorporated in Malaysia. Our objective of the study are firstly, to determine the sustainable development goals that was implemented in Tasty West Neighborhood. Secondly, to understand the efforts done by the Tasty West Neighborhood in order to carry out the goals under SDG. Thirdly, to identify the contribution of implementing SDG in Tasty West Neighborhood towards improving the social, economic and environment. And lastly, to determine the challenge of the implementation of SDG toward company and employees. There are 6 subtopics we had discussed in our literature review which are related to SDG. The first one is about the development of SDG. Secondly, about the importance of SDG. Thirdly, the criticism on implementing SDG. The fourth one is about the role of management accountant in making SDG happen. And next is the opportunity and challenges in implementing SDG. And lastly is about the target and indicators of SDG. In performing this research, we use both primary and secondary data. For primary, we use the interview technique where we had set up the date and time to have an interview session with Mr. Sun. And secondly, we use the secondary data analysis by referring to past journal, books, and reports to get more information.
Next, to study the implementation of SDG, we choose Tasty West Neighborhood. This company was founded in year 2000 by a couple of husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Lim. This company has separated their business section into 2 parts, where the operation branch was located in Jalan Bukit Wang Citra and the administration branch was located at Bandar Stagit, Alusta, Kedah. Tasty West Neighborhood was involved in the food and beverage sectors, where they also provide OEM service to other brands. This company brand product includes Alo, Tasty Mint, and DKE. There are 3 goals identified in the company operation. First, good and health well-being, which is the third goal in SDG. According to Mr. Sun, the company's growth was based on creating a sustainable business focused on health, where all products are fruit-based. Besides, to maintain the food safety, the company has certified by MUSTI and also HACCP. The second one is responsible consumption and production, which is the 8th goal in SDG. And this company is certified by ISO, where the company manage their waste manually to ensure good and healthy environment. And last but not least is decent worth and economic growth, where Testiway provides a conducive working environment for the employees in the company, where employees are free to express their opinions for the sake of company's growth. They also provide training and workshops to assist all their employees to achieve the competency requirement, and incentives are also given to boost working motivation. However, although the company has proved good, there are some limitations to achieve this goal. First is air pollution, which is caused by combustion of fuel to generate machines, and then cost of raw materials, where more than 30% of the company's raw material was imported, and last is export problem, and this is caused by the decline in orders due to pandemic COVID-19. To overcome this limitation, we suggest some recommendations that can be taken by the company. First, company can use solar energy to generate machines and also composting the fruit waste. Besides, company also can develop their own fruits farms or estate to overcome the high cost of raw material. And lastly, the company can widen their export to another country instead of focusing on China. In conclusion, the company should implement SDGs in their organization to get more benefits in their business and also to improve engagement with the customer and stakeholders. That's all from us. Thank you.